Got a bit of chocolate. Got a bit of chocolate. Happy Easter, people! Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. That's Connect for Entertainment. Together, we are Cook and Vibe. What we do say on Easter, on a happy day like this, is we say why? We say oi. Don't play no games, it's Easter. Can we get some energy up in the air, blood? Easter's about chocolate. You get me? Don't know, we've had Good Friday. We've done the fish. You see me? Chocolate time. So what we're doing, obviously, come on, bruv, you know what we're doing. A Easter egg, innit? A Easter egg, we have. We're gonna make our Easter eggs, people, on the fire. You know anything already? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. You know everything already. You see me? So, ingredients. Well, cooking method. Now, we had a plan for this week's episode. It didn't really work out, so this is a last minute thing. We didn't have time to order a proper Easter egg mold. I was in the supermarket and they gave me this. So we give it a little clean. Connect 4 reckons he's got an idea. You know what he's like, people. You know what he's like. He reckons he can do it. I don't know how we're gonna get these bits connected, but he reckons he's got an idea. So let's just leave that part to Connect 4 Entertainment. Yeah? So what are you gonna need? Milk chocolate. Milk chocolate to melt for the actual outside. Now what we're gonna do for the inside, to decorate it, we're gonna have red, yellow and green little buttons. And you see on this little thing that it's got like a little at the bottom. So we're gonna do red, green and yellow, and then like just put a bit of chocolate and just attach that to the egg once it's finished. And all you're gonna need, apart from obviously your food colorings, if you're gonna do the same way as we're doing it, is we're just gonna fill it with some Jamaican type of stuff. So we're gonna put cream, because I love cream, so chocolate cream is perfect. We're gonna put a mango, we're gonna chop up some mango and put some mango in it. I think that's a nice little tropical vibe for it. We have got some Jamaican cookies, Bix cookies. So we're gonna break them up, put them up there, and we've got the famous Jamaican Shirley biscuits. Little tiny ones, little cute ones, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna break them up, put them in with the mango and the cream and the cookies all together inside the Easter egg. So that's what we're doing, man. I hope you lot are not eating too much chocolate. Hope the kids them are blessed, hope the kids them are alright. Do you look at Easter egg hunt and them thing there? You know anything, man? We ain't even said nothing. Do you know why we ain't said nothing? Because we've been filming it. You know what this brother's like, yeah? You know what this brother's like when it comes to building and them thing there. It's done already. So this is Connect 4, mine and Connect 4's new project. To be honest with you, this is what I'm looking for. But yeah, I'm not gonna say too much. He's been filming the whole thing all the way through. It's gonna be a mad thing, bro. Watch when you see what's going on here. Trust me. So yeah, melt the chocolate. So on the fire. Kaya tingo, cook and vibe. You see the bricks them that we used for the pizza oven last week's episode. We built like a barbecue. We got a barbecue. So yeah, hot water in a saucepan. Bowl on top. Put the chocolate inside and melt it. And then obviously once we've melted the chocolate, we're just gonna like tip it into here somehow get that round there, then I think we're gonna do it in that one as well, and then connect all. Got the idea of how getting it together.
Why lying for?
But you know what you can do is just buy at East End most like. You know what it is, people? I don't know how much to put in. I'm gonna be honest with you, from the very start of this, I don't do baking, chocolate melting and all that. We get out in the garden, cook chicken on fire. I mean, I know about all this, but I'll give it a try, you know? It's starting to do something, innit? I feel like I gotta put all of this chocolate in. For now, and then actually you should probably melt some of it first and then put the rest in, innit? It's definitely hot. There we go. Yes, thank you. A really good heat, you know. Am I on? Mm-hmm. This is a really good heat, you know. We were thinking doing it on the fire is going to be a bit of a mad thing, but I feel like we've got a nice heat going on here. I think it's time to add the last few bits. Wait. Alright, yeah, look at this now. Nice. You get me? One little piece there. I think we're good to go, you know. Alright, I don't know how it's gonna work out. I really don't. Right, let's just put this down for a sec. Let me grab this. I don't know why I just did put this down. Why? I love to make things difficult for myself, man. Look, let's put it down on there. I'm like, oh no, I think there's enough in there, bro. So I think now you gotta do all this malarkey. You know the ones there, people, you gotta do the... Alright. See it there? Corners, and then we'll go back around there, get that corner, cover that piece there, cover that piece there. That's the last bit we've got to cover. A little bit more on that one there. All right. There we go. I don't know why I'm... All right. So now we're gonna harden it. So we're gonna leave that to go solid, harden, and we're gonna put this in the fridge. Should we put it in the fridge? I don't know about this today, people. It's all over the gaff. You know what I mean? But all right, yeah. All right, so let's crack on with the buttons anyway. All right, now we're gonna make the buttons, the red, gold, and green buttons, yeah? So I just breed white chocolate. Again, I don't know about these things, but I just for white chocolate, it will be easier to get food colouring in. Do you know what I'm saying? So did start eating a bit. Nice chocolate bars as well. Anyway, so we don't need a lot. It's just a button. So that's supposed to be good anyway. Yeah. This one doesn't seem to be melting as good as that one did. This white chocolate. Don't seem to be melting the same. Alright, I don't know if this is how you do it, you know, but we're just going to put a little bit of yellow food colouring. I had a mad accident earlier where I splashed it all down the side of my kitchen. It's not good. Right, that's the food colouring gone in. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know, what colour is that looking like? Is that looking like yellow? Yellowish. It's yellowish. That'll do. That'll do. So we just into our little button thing here. Yeah, that's supposed to be good. Obviously we can clean it up after we've done that, you know. A little chat, because you know why? It's Easter. Sometimes you have to just hold up in it, people, just to chill out, have a little talk. What's your favourite Easter egg? What's your favourite chocolate? Let me know in the comments. I don't really like chocolate. I'm a white chocolate kind of guy. Don't really like dark chocolate, milk chocolate. It's got to have some sort of biscuit or something in it, you know what I'm saying? So, what's my favourite chocolate bar? What is my favourite chocolate bar? It's got to be a Milky Bar. It's got to be a Milky Bar.
The Milky Bars are on me!
Milky Bar, so creamy white. This ain't Milky Bar.
Let me know what your favourite chocolate is in the comments below. I'm going to be honest with you. It's just peeling the mango. There's not much going on. This episode is one of them ones there where you gotta try and make it something. It's cut a mango. But yeah, man, I hope you're all alright. I love you lot, man. We hit 30k subscribers the other day, and it goes up. It goes up all the time, and that's what we love. We love the support. We love the subscribers. You see, if you're watching this video, it takes 1 second to just press subscribe and like. It really, really helps us. The likes help us. For some technical reason, they help us. I don't know how, but they do. So I really would appreciate it if you like it. And I hope you're having a blessed Easter. I hope you had a nice Good Friday. Whoever locked into the live, I hope you enjoyed it. Cooking some fish and thing. I'll show you something in a minute actually, once I've peeled this mango on. I'll show you something. Show you something. So you see a mango, right? You see once you ate all the flesh of the mango, right? On one side, there's like a kind of dip. Yeah, there's a full side, and there's a dip. And if you get the knife, and be really, really careful, and just slip, you'll find the side bit, yeah? And then once you've done that, go like that, yeah? That is the mango seed. Now what it's gonna grow out of is something like this part here. This part here, one of the two. One of the sides it's gonna pop out. So what you do, you put this in a pot, right? Fill it up with some compost, over it about that much. Or do you leave that bit poking out? No, I think you do put the whole thing underneath the ground, underneath the soil. Put that in your front window, anywhere that gets sunlight. You see, if you've got a window that's got a heater underneath it, perfect. Yeah? Put this in the front window and that will germinate. I promise you, it will germinate. If you give it the right amount of heat and water, a little mango tree will grow. There you go, cook and vibe, you can learn. Yeah, we've got our little fillings ready. Mango, the Jamaican cookies and the Jamaican Shirley biscuit. We've saved one because it's got a wicked little, like a little Jamaican little house thing. So we're gonna kind of make that little design on it. So all right, so what we're gonna do, as it's Easter, it's all that chocolate. We've got a couple Shirley biscuits left. We've got a couple bits of chocolate. So what we're gonna do, we've got the melting chocolate still on here, yeah? So we're just gonna pop them in there like that. And we're gonna coat the Shirley biscuit. Oh. And coat the cookies in the melted chocolate. So we've got homemade chocolate Jamaican cookies and Shirley biscuits. It's Easter. Why? Listen. Big up time. Billy. Up and down scaffolding. Man, that is building, you know, boys. Right? Building. Why are you? I'm telling you. Billy, big up yourself. Yeah? Up and down scaffolding. Big up all the lads. You know what I'm saying? It's a YI. This, people, you're gonna see where I'm going with it very, very soon. You're gonna get the whole documentary. Don't worry, you're not gonna miss out on nothing, yeah? And we're gonna do one more big up today. This is for Richard Moran, or Moran, Richard Moran. Man, say YI, plastic bag versus fire. This is gonna be good. Man's a garden gladiator. Respect, bro. So respect to you, fam. I think I'm happy with that title, Garden Gladiator. We like that one there. You see me? So big up yourself, my G. Big up all the cooking vibers, you know anything. So why I? Like, oh, you should have seen me just soaking. Oh, I didn't work. We got maybe a quarter of an Easter egg. Maybe not even a quarter. There it is. It's always worked up until now, isn't it? Yeah. But I've got an idea. Don't worry about Easter eggs. Just go and buy one from the shop and get one for £1, bruv. A lot less hassle, bruv. Hey, do you know what I'm gonna do? When I go and get what I'm gonna get, what we're gonna say next, right? I'm just gonna go and buy an Easter egg and I'm gonna stick the buttons on that, and then we're gonna have a Jamaican. You ain't stopping me. Ain't stopping me. It's all meant to be like this entertainment. You don't know where it's gonna go sometimes. You know the bean. Yeah. We are back again. Why? Welcome back to Cook and Vibe. We've got special guests in the building today, Jacob. Big up yourself. Yeah. My friend, you done love, thank you for coming through. Pengveganmunch. Yo, I see this guy on Instagram. He's going viral with jerk lentils.
Peng, bro, yeah, something different. I get creative with it.
Bro, I don't know where you got the idea from, but I said, you know what? We need to get him on the show. And you know, we ain't been in the kitchen yet, so welcome back to the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? We've got bananas, we've got mangoes and everything. It's all going on in here. You get me? I've been excited to get back in the kitchen, people, you see me? So today, obviously, it's vegan. Ital. Ital is vital, you see me? You know anything already. So today, people, we're going to be doing some different recipes. You know what I'm saying? Today ain't going to be so formal. I don't want to complicate your mind. Can't cook and vibe, do you understand? So we're gonna put the recipes in the description below, and we're just gonna get into it and just have fun with it today, you know what I'm saying? So you done know, Jacob, you done know, family, let's get busy. Right, obviously, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the jerk lentils. You get me? So he's gonna do the jerk lentils, I'm gonna learn how to do them. I am gonna cook some steamed cabbage, and may I cook some ackee. Like a kind of saltfish and ackee, but no saltfish. So just straight vegetables, I saw the thing go today. You get me? And we have got a cucumber all the way from yard. Yes. There's me. Big up Windrush Bay, man. We've got some nice vegetables, some Caribbean vegetables. They deliver all over the country. Windrush Bay, make sure you check them out. You get me? You'll see a lot more of them on the channel. So yeah, let's get busy into the ingredients today, people. Yeah, so our steamed cabbage, alright? So the ingredients for the steamed cabbage, right? You're gonna need some carrots, right? You're gonna need some onion, you're gonna need some garlic, you're gonna need some cabbage, because otherwise it would be a bit silly, wouldn't it? Steamed cabbage without no cabbage. You know what I mean? Alright, you're gonna need some peppers as well. You don't know, red, yellow and green. Red, green and yellow, you want me to tell you? Alright, what colour am I going to use? I am going to use a yellow one, and I'm going to use a red one. So yeah, we've got garlic, we're going to have a Scotch bonnet in there as well. You get me? And two scallion. I'll put some fresh thyme that we got from Windrush Bay. And that's it, pretty much. All you do with this is chop the onion and the garlic in the pan, and then you chop up the cabbage and you dash that in with the peppers, the Scotch bonnet, thyme, scallion, and then ting there. A little bit of all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of black pepper. I will show you that when I put it in, and you just fry it off, man, just until it goes nice. And obviously it's going to look big when you put it in the pot, and as it gradually cooks, it will just go down, and there you have it. But you have to see what I want, you see me? So yeah, man, there we have it, man. Steamed cabbage, we are going, man.
Right, so M-Dot has invited me down to cook my jerk lentils. Usually we would cook jerk with chicken, but we're mixing it up. We've got the lentils here. Along with the lentils, we got some ginger, some garlic, onion, and of course the Scotch bonnet chilli. Now this thing will blow your head off. But yeah, that's it basically. You're gonna fry down your aromatics first, and then add your jerk, and then add your lentils last, along with some chopped tomatoes and a bit of water. Boil it down for like half an hour, and then yeah, you got it. Nice saucy jerk lentils, proper. Alright, so I'm gonna start by chopping up the garlic. You wanna cut it nice and thin, get the pieces nice and small. I'm struggling here with this skin. But yeah, M-Dot saw my jerk lentil recipe on Instagram, shouted me, said he wanted to cook some vegan Ital feast. So here we are, we're doing it. I'm cooking my jerk lentils. What are you doing again, bro?
I am doing steamed cabbage and some ackee.
And ackee as well,
You know what I'm saying?
So we got bare things going on, loads of flavour.
I am here, you know, people. I'm in the background. So, but I see it on Instagram, people, right? And it was like going viral. And I said, yo, jerk lentils, you know. We have to try that one day. You see me? So, from time we done the Ital show, I wanted to do more Ital cooking. So yeah, man, we're there in our kitchen, man. Right.
Health is wealth. And Ital is vital, and all them things.
Yeah.
Right, so I'm chopping up the garlic nice and thin. Getting it nice and small. And then when I'm done, I'm going to do the ginger. Right, so we're going to start with about 1 inch of ginger. I've already grated it, taken the skin off, sorry. And now we're just going to cut it nice and thin. Ooh, bloody hell. Wait, I'm cutting it the wrong way, that's tough. Yeah, cut it nice and thin. And do the same that way. Right, so we've done the ginger, we've done the garlic, now we've got the onion. Alright, so we're going to do the same, skin it, peel the skin off, and then dice it nice and fine, nice and small, like so.
You know what I mean? Steamed cabbage. There. So I done put the garlic and the onion in the pot. I've just added the peppers, the carrot, the thyme, the Scotch bonnet. You see me? And now we are gonna add the cabbage. So break it up nicely, get in there, because I don't want the chickpeas in there. Then chickpeas have to come out. That's it. Now it might look like a lot of cabbage in there at the start, people, but believe me, it will reduce. You get me? So you just got to kind of get that in there and break it all up and mix it all in. But before we do that, we're going to add a couple little seasonings. Now big up Jamaica Valley. Yeah, they're sponsoring us also with the spices. Look, if you see down here, got some spices down here, up there in the rack. Got loads of stuff, and then they blessed us up with a wicked package. So black pepper. Some Jamaica Valley black pepper, and we are going to use some all-purpose seasoning, so this must be over here. Yep, we have all-purpose seasoning. Jamaica Valley thing, of course, and like a little tiny piece of salt. Sorry, Michi, I'm getting this covered. Woooi. Just a little tiny. Tiny piece of salt. So yeah, man, basically, people, we just mix this up and let it cook down still. You get me? You'll know when it's done because it'll be nice and soft and, you know what I mean? So, woooi? Steamed cabbage, cook and bite.
Cool. Alright, now the last thing is the Scotch bonnet. You can add as much or as little as you like with this one, but I'm going to chuck the whole thing in. You like a bit of spice, innit?
Aye.
Yeah?
You know me, G.
Come on, bro. Let's do it. Cut out nice and fine. And then I need to remember to not touch my eyes after this. Every time I cook with chili, I end up touching my eyes and just burning them up. It's not what I want. Not what I want. Rest of the show, I'm just in the corner crying. Wiping my eyes. Yeah, look, nice and fine, nice and small. Same with the onion, the garlic, and the ginger. Yeah, I'm done now. All I need to do is add the jerk paste. Now you can make your own jerk seasoning with like scallion, some Scotch bonnet, allspice, cinnamon, all of that. But I got this one. We're gonna use this jerk paste. So we're gonna chuck these in there now.
because I was cooking, I kind of want to know how to cook this as well. So we've got the garlic down in, yeah?
Start off with the garlic.
Yeah.
And the ginger.
Ginger, okay.
Yeah. And then we're going to cook them down
Okay.
a little bit until you can start smelling it.
Okay.
You know when the room starts
aroma comes out.
Garlic and that, yeah.
Yeah.
Leave it to cook down for a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, and smelly aroma.
Yeah, coming off. Now we're gonna chuck the onions in.
Yeah.
I have to try and not knock anything on the side. Oh no. Oh, I've made a right blunder.
What, a little bit of bonnet in there?
No, I was supposed to put the bonnet in there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dash that in, yeah.
We're going now.
This is cook and vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't even matter.
Does the same job, yeah.
Yeah, we just dash it in, man.
Chuck it in. There you go.
Dash it in, yes it is.
Give that a little shake. And yeah, now we're just gonna wait for that to cook down until it's a bit soft.
Yeah. Okay.
We're done. Yeah.
Okay. Why on?
Right, this is done. It's nice and sweated down. So we're gonna add the jerk paste in there. I'm putting 2 teaspoons in there. And we're gonna mix it up and combine it.
What do you reckon? Should we dash a little bit in here now?
I think we should.
I think we look. The Portland jerk. We always use it. We use it every week. It's got a. It's a little bit, you know what I mean? Yeah. A little why-eye, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Right. It's combined. We're gonna heat this up for another couple minutes. And we're there.
The smell.
Right, this is done now. We're gonna chuck in the chopped tomatoes. Get it in there. Along with a bit of the water too. There you go. A little bit of time.
Why-eye.
Get that all in there.
This is interesting, man.
Once it's heated up, we're gonna add the red lentils as well.
Okay, he did want me to get yellow lentils, people. That's what he used before, but unfortunately, I couldn't get them. Cook and vibe, you know what I mean? We use what we can.
We adapt.
We adapt.
Come on.
That's the thing.
Right, this is all come to a boil now, so we're gonna chuck the lentils in. These have been washed, right? Make sure that you wash your lentils, people. This is coming from, I don't know where it's come from, but India, somewhere like that. It's travelled really, really far, so you wanna make sure that you wash all of the dirt, all of that off before you use it. I'm gonna chuck it in. Bosh. Give it a mix. Make sure it's all combined, fully in there. And we're done. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that now for maybe half hour, 40 minutes. And then yeah, we'll come back to it.
So, you get me? Big up Pengveganmunch for coming through with the jerk lentils. His Instagram is gonna be in the description below. Alright? And smash the like button, please, people.
Smash, smash, smash!
Okay, you know anything already, yeah? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I mean, sick of saying it, to be honest with you. Just like the video, please! I've had enough. We're cooking ackee, man. Red, green and yellow. Yeah, me tell ya! So basically I have got tomatoes, yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper. I think I said tomatoes already, but I'm going to say it again just because I didn't. Onion, we got some Scotch bonnet, we got some thyme, scallion. Basically, we're going to dash this in. Yeah, the size of these skins. Big up Windrush Beta. These are very nice, big scallions. So yeah, basically, all we're gonna do is get a little bit of oil going, get that ready up, dash in this lot, cook that off, and then I'll tell you what to do after that. There's not much to do after that, but you the beans. Cook and vibe, man. Why-eye. All we're gonna do is cook that down until it's nice and soft, and then once it's nice and soft, we will just add the ackee nice and lightly. We don't want to mash it up, and you know anything of. We've done ackee already on here with the saltfish, so this is a little different way. All we're gonna put a bit of salt in here, right? Because the saltfish and ackee, but we ain't got no saltfish, so we're gonna put like a little bit of salt in there just to kind of make up for the saltfish. Jacob did tell me about that. All-purpose and black pepper, Jamaica Valley thing, little bit of both. And that's it, man. Like I say, cook it down, add the ackee, and then we're done, man. It's a Woooi thing, you know what I mean? Woooi! So there we have it, man. Jacob, respect, Pengveganmunch. Check him out on Instagram, description below. We have some really rasta man near right answer. Yeah? Jerk lentils, we've got the steamed cabbage, we've got the ackee, you know what I'm saying? So, bro, take whatever one you want to take.
I'm having this
Your
one.
fork. That's you right there. I'm gonna take this one right here.
I'm gonna start off with my thing.
I'm starting off with the jerk lentils, yeah.
Good? Yeah.
The after kick's nice. I like my spice.
Okay.
It's like a kind of stew, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a kick. It's got a kick. But you know what the trick is? Little bite of in between with Jamaican cucumber. Chill out your mouth. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm gonna get that.
So let's go in for the steamed cabbage. Let's go in for the steamed cabbage next. We do it together. We do it together. Yeah.
Yeah, that's banging, bro.
It's not as good as the Rasta man in Portland. See, but
But this is bang.
it's good. Let's go for the ackee because I've never tasted ackee like this without saltfish.
You gotta put a healthy amount of salt onto the ackee if you don't have saltfish.
I like it.
I'm not gonna lie.
It's enjoyable, same way.
Where's the salt, man?
Salt, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just gonna dash a little bit more salt.
Do you know what I'm gonna join you? I'm gonna join you and dash a little bit of salt on that. So you get me? Yeah. There we go, people. That was our vegan Ital meal, a Rastaman thing. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I was M.R. That's Connect for Entertainment. That's Pengveganmunch. And it's a vibe. Woooi. See you next week.